Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay if I don't want that Impossible or bacon Whopper, any Whopper my way. You rule your season today at BK.
Civil authorities in the northern Florida area have found several people sick after eating Burger King Whoppers. If you or a family member has eaten a Burger King Whopper, call 911 or go to the nearest hospital. The Burger King Whoppers are infected with an unknown disease that causes but not limited to nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea.